Good morning. Today we are going into the next topic, which is basic theorems in Boolean algebra. Basic theorems in Boolean basic theorems in Boolean algebra. Among that, one of the most important postulates of Boolean algebra we discussed in the previous class, and today we are going to discuss De Morgan's theorem. De Morgan's theorem or duality theorem. De De Morgan's theorems. There are two theorems as far as this is concerned. See, first theorem is A or B the whole bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. This is first one. And second one, A dot B the whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. See, A or B the whole bar is equal to A bar dot B bar, and A dot B the whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. See, from this, how do we write this? Initially, here the literals are A and B, and here the literals are A bar and B bar. And here you have replaced each literal A and B with its complement. That means A is converted to its complement and B also is converted to its complement. Then this or is replaced with and. Here or is replaced with and we have negated the whole thing. That means here A and B are replaced with A bar and B bar. Then here or operation of plus is replaced by dot and you have removed this bar. See here what you are going to do is again you are going to replace this A and B with A bar and B bar, and the dot is replaced with plus and you have removed this one. That is A or B the whole bar is equal to A bar and B bar, and A and B the whole bar is equal to A bar or B bar. Okay, those are De Morgan's theorems, and using De Morgan's theorems, I will show you some examples for after example or simplification of Boolean expressions we are going to discuss. One of I will tell you. My question is an example. Example 1. That is A or B C bar the whole bar plus D into E plus F bar D into E plus F bar the whole bar This is we are going to simplify. That means here the literals are A, B, C bar, D, E, F bar. Now, using De Morgan's theorem, how here you have to, as far as this bar is concerned, you have two literals. This is one literal and this is another literal. Okay, you have two literals, this one and this one. So I am going to treat this A plus X is equal to A plus B C bar, and Y is equal to D into E plus F bar. Okay. T plus F bar. Now we are going to replace this A plus BC bar with X. Now this is X bar plus, you are giving Y as Y is equal to D into E plus F the whole bar. That means X bar plus Y. Here X is A plus BC bar and Y is D plus E, D into E plus F bar the whole bar. This is X plus Y then this becomes X bar plus Y the whole bar. That is, here X stands for A plus BC bar and Y stands for D into E plus F bar the whole bar. When you are simplifying this X plus Y bar, see, A plus B the whole bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. Okay, A plus B the whole bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. Likewise, here this is, treat this as A and treat this as B. This becomes X dot or X bar the whole bar dot Y bar. Okay, X bar the whole bar. X bar the whole bar means that is X. That means X dot Y bar. What is X? X is A plus BC bar is equal to A plus BC bar, A plus BC bar dot, what is Y bar? Y bar is D into E plus F bar the whole bar. What? Y. Now X dot Y bar means this one whole bar. That is, starting from here, we have to simplify this expression, and I have intentionally put A plus BC bar is equal to X. So here you have replaced this A plus BC bar with X. Then that becomes X bar. A plus BC bar the whole bar. You have replaced this A plus BC bar with X. Then X bar plus. You have replaced this D into E plus F bar the whole bar with Y. Then this becomes X bar plus Y the whole bar. Using De Morgan's theorem, A plus B the whole bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. You have replaced this X bar with X bar the whole bar dot Y bar. And now X bar the whole bar is X and Y bar. X is replaced with A plus BC bar dot D into E plus F bar the whole bar. Now I am going to simplify this. That is, take this as the first term and take this as the second term. Okay, I am not going to do anything with this right now. We are going to replace this, or we are going to apply De Morgan's theorem to this. That is, here first literal is D and second literal is E plus F bar the whole bar. Okay. Now this is the product of D dot. This is the first literal one, D dot, and second literal is this one, and that is E plus F bar complement. Now A dot B, the first literal dot second literal the whole bar, that is A dot B the whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. That is, when you are replacing this, D bar plus first one plus this one the whole bar. That means E plus F bar the whole bar. Okay, that is first literal dot second literal the whole bar is equal to, or A dot B the whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. Here D dot first one, treat this as A, or first one as A and second one as B. Here 2. Second one is E plus F bar, the whole bar is equal to B. Okay. Now A dot B the whole bar. A dot B the whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. A bar plus B bar means here A is D. D bar plus B is E plus F bar the whole bar. The whole bar. Okay. Now E plus F bar the whole bar is equal to, now this is removed and this becomes D bar plus E plus F bar. Okay, this is one term into A plus B C bar. Okay, that is A plus B C bar into D bar plus E plus F bar. Okay, this is the result. Now you have removed all the negations and all. Now you have literals A plus B C bar into D bar plus E plus F bar. Okay. Now another example. Another example I am going to show you. Another example is A plus B plus C into D the whole bar. A plus B plus C into D the whole bar. This is something like A dot B the whole bar. Treat this as A and treat this as B as far as this is concerned. Okay. Now, what I have to do is treat this as A and this as B. A dot B the whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. That is A plus B plus C the whole bar plus D bar. That is, this A plus B plus C, you treat this as A as far as this equation is concerned, and treat this D as B. That is A dot B the whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. A bar is equal to A plus B plus C the whole bar plus D bar. Now you have to remove this dot. This. Now A plus B plus C the whole bar is equal to A plus B the whole bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. Just like this, you can write this A plus B as A plus B plus C. Now, what is A plus B plus C? A bar dot B plus C bar. That is, A plus B the whole bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. Just like that, A plus B plus C the whole bar is equal to A bar dot B plus C the whole bar plus B bar. See, A bar dot B plus C the whole bar can be replaced by what is B plus C the whole bar? What is B plus C the whole bar? B plus C the whole bar is equal to B bar dot C bar. B plus C into the whole bar is equal to B bar dot C bar plus B bar. That means A dot B dot C bar. A bar dot B bar dot C bar. This is simply A bar dot B bar dot C bar plus D bar. This is the simplified form of this. That is A bar, B bar, C bar plus D bar. Okay. I'll show you another example also. For the time being, if time permits me, I'll show you another example. And now, another simplification of expressions using our postulates. Earlier, we have discussed some postulates, and regarding simplification, I'm going to explain another example. AB plus A into B plus C plus B into B plus C. Okay, B into B plus C. Now, which is equivalent to AB plus A into B plus C is AB plus AC plus BB plus BC. See, AB or AB, 1 or 1 is 1 and 0 or 0 is 0, or A or A is equal to 1. That means these two AB, I am going to have a single AB plus AC plus BB plus BC. Okay, BB plus BC. Now, this BB can be replaced by B. Okay. Now this becomes AB plus AC plus. I'm going to replace this BB with B plus BC. Okay. Now B plus BC can be replaced by B into 1 plus C. 1 plus C can be reduced by 1. That means B into 1 is B. That means B plus BC is reduced to B. Now this becomes AB plus AC plus B. AB plus AC plus B. Okay. Now AB plus B. AB plus B plus AC. This is B into A plus 1 plus AC. A plus 1 is equal to 1. That means this is reduced to 1. So B plus AC. This is the result. B plus AC. So that AB plus A to B plus C plus B to B plus C is reduced to B plus AC. B plus AC. Now, one more expression I will tell you. AB bar plus A into B plus whole bar plus B into B plus C the whole bar. Okay, this is equal to AB bar plus, here B plus C the whole bar is common for these two. So I am going to have B plus C the whole bar into A plus B. Then what is B plus C the whole bar? What is B plus C the whole bar? This can be reduced by De Morgan's theorem. A B bar plus B plus C the whole bar is equal to B bar dot C bar into A plus B. Okay, this is equal to A B bar plus B bar C bar A B, or A B bar C bar plus B into B bar B bar C bar. See, B dot B bar is equal to B dot B bar is equal to 0. That means this is reduced to 0. Then this becomes AB bar plus AB bar C bar plus 0. That means this becomes A B bar plus A B bar C bar. A B bar is common for these two. That means A B bar into 1 plus C bar, which is equal to, this is reduced to 1. That means A B bar. That is simplification of that is A B bar. Okay. With that, we have completed the simplification of Boolean expressions. Now we are going to discuss the laws regarding Boolean algebra. Laws of Boolean first law, we are going to check whether it is commutative. That means commutative law. Commutative property. That means and or operation satisfy commutative property. That is A or B is equal to B or A, and A dot B is equal to B dot A. This is commutative property. That means adding A to B or ORing A to B is equivalent to ORing B to A, and adding A to B is equivalent to adding B to A. Now we are going to check whether this is associative property. Associative property. A or B or C is equal to A or B or C, and A or BC, A and BC is equal to AB and C. These two are satisfied. That means OR operation and AND operation are commutative, OR operation and AND operation are associative. Now this is satisfying distributive property also. Distributive property. We are going to check whether this satisfies distributive property. Distributive property is A and B plus C. A and B or C is equal to A and B or A and C. A into or A and B plus C is equal to AB or AC. Okay. And these are the basic theorems as far as Boolean algebra is concerned. With that, I am going to conclude this session, and in this class we have discussed De Morgan's theorem. De Morgan's theorem is A or B the whole bar is equal to A bar dot B bar, and A dot B the whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. Those are the two basic De Morgan's theorems, and after that we discussed or we studied how to simplify Boolean expressions using our postulates as well as De Morgan's theorems, and we have discussed the different properties of Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra is or Boolean operation, AND operation and OR operation is commutative. Both operations are associative and it is satisfied distributive property also. And with that, I am concluding this session. And next day I will come up with a new topic. And with that, again, we will discuss all those topics next day. And have a nice day. Thank you.